Hello guys, I'm Tony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fresher or someone with 0 to 5 years of experienced candidates and looking for a software development job, this video is going to be very useful. Today I have brought two good opportunities for freshers. Both are software engineering roles, but one is remote with a good salary and it is for 2023, 2024 and 2025 batch, and another one is a fresher hiring for 2025 and 2026 batch. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one. The company is Eyebrows Jobs Technologies and they are hiring for the role of Associate Software Engineer. Now this is a remote role which is very big advantage. The package for this role ranges between 5 to 14 LPA, especially it's a remote role. In this job, you will mainly be working with Python, where you will develop and maintain software applications. You will collaborate with senior developers, understand project requirements, and then build solutions based on that. You will also get exposure to real development practices like writing clean code, debugging issues, and participating in code reviews, which is very important for growth. So, overall, it's a proper learning focused role where you will gradually improve your development skills. Now, coming to the skills part, they are expecting basic knowledge of Python along with some understanding of SQL and analytical thinking. Communication skills are also important because you will be working with teams. For eligibility, freshers as well as candidates with 0 to 5 years of experience can apply, so it's quite flexible. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Btech and they are hiring for the role of Associate Software Engineer. This is a fresher specific hiring and very important, it is only for 2025 and 2026 batch student, and if you are in these batches, this is a perfect opportunity for you. The job location is Bangalore and they are specifically looking for candidates who can work from there. The package for this role ranges between 4 to 8 LPA, which is pretty decent. Now in this role, you will be working on development, customization and integration tasks mainly under the guidance of senior developers. You will follow proper industry practices like SDLC, coding standards, testing and CI/CD, so it's a very structured environment to start your career. You will also collaborate with global teams including developers, project managers and cloud teams, which will give you a good exposure. Another interesting part is that they are focusing on AI first development, meaning you will also get to use AI tools while coding and building solutions. Now coming to skills, they are expecting basic understanding of programming languages such as Java, Python, JavaScript or C++. Along with that, you should also know fundamentals like data structures, algorithms and object-oriented programming. Even if you have done projects or open source work, that will be enough for this role. They also expect you to have basic knowledge of APIs, debugging, version control like Git, and overall software development concept. Eligibility wise, you must be a Btech or BE student from CSE, IT or ECE with at least 70% throughout your academics. One more thing, the shift timing is from 2 pm to 11 pm, so keep that in mind. So yeah, these were the two solid opportunities. One is high paying remote role and another one is a fresher hiring for 2026 graduate. Make sure to check out by using the link in the description box, and for more such job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.